Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into this gold smoky eye right here. I am obsessed. I feel like this eye is like perfect for the holiday season. It's like the perfect shade of gold. It's warm, it's cozy, it's giving all of the holiday feels. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just make sure to keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell that we get notified anytime that I make a new upload. So let's go ahead and jump into today's eye focus tutorial. Alright guys, let's get into this look. I'm going to be priming first using the Be Perfect Prime as the eyeshadow base like I always do. I'm going to apply this to the lid and then blend from there. I just want to make sure to blend that really well into the edges of like your foundation or concealer or whatever product that you have on the outer portion here by the brow bone. So the first color I'm going to be using is from the Beaaute Classical Paradise palette. It is called Earth. It's a warm tones like reddish brown, and we're going to apply that to the outer corner. I'm going to start there and start building the shape of this look. And the brush that I'm using is a Morphe M507. The next shadow that I'm going to use is from the Be Perfect x Stacey Marie Carnival 4 palette, also known as the Antidote palette. This is the shade Fawn, and we're going to use this to blend out the edges of our that shade Earth from the Beaaute palette. So I'm going in with a Morphe M506, and we're just going to very gently graze the edges here and start building that color up. Then going in with the shade Lotta Latte, also from the Antidote palette, I'm going to apply that onto the very edges of the eyes to just do our last final blend. Next up, I'm going in with the shade Simmer. This is a really cute, it's like gold, and we're going to start applying that onto the lid. I'm using a Sigma. This is a Sigma x Beauty Bird Dream Eye Perfector brush. So I'm going to start pressing that into the lid here. Then taking that shade Fawn on a Y216 brush from Playing Makeup by Yolando, I'm going to use that to blend these edges here around that gold. I am going to be going in with a little bit of liner. This is the BH Cosmetics Power Pencil in the shade Warm Brown. And we're going to apply this onto the lash line. I also want to smoke this out, so I'm going in with a little bit of Earth from the Classical Paradise palette from Beaaute and Dawn from the Antidote palette, and I'm going to use those two shadows to blend out the edge. And for a little bit of extra shine, I'm using the Artist Couture liquid eyeshadow. How gorgeous is this? This is so pretty. I cannot wait to put this on my eyeball. This is in the shade Cross Faded. I'm gonna apply a little bit onto the back of my hand and apply the shadow from there. And we're just gonna pat this. Ooh! Y'all saw that? Ooh! That's pretty. She's got a lot of shine. I'm here for it. Oh yes, she got a lot of shine. So I'm going to start applying my shadows onto my lower lash line to smoke it out. I'm using those same two shades that I applied on the crease, so Earth and Fawn. And we're just going to use those to smoke out the lower lash line. The smudgy brush that you see me using here is from Makeup Addiction. This is a really old brush. So I don't know if they have this brush anymore, but any like little small like detailer brush like this works just fine. But yeah, using the BH Cosmetics Power Pencil in Warm Brown, same pencil that we use on the lash line, I'm going to apply that onto the waterline. Then going back into that shade Simmer from the Antidote palette, I'm going to apply that into the inner corner. And just for a little bit of extra shine, I'm going in with shade Glisten and applying that right on top, like so. I'm going to throw on some mascara now. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I love this stuff. It's definitely one of my favorites. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my lashes. I've been loving these lashes. They're from a small black owned brand called Six Beauty. These are in the style Brooklyn. I've been loving these. They're like shorter at the front and a little longer at the tail, which makes them so perfect for like the super lifted eye look. It just gives the eyes like a little bit of a lift, kind of wings them out a bit. And I just love these babies. They're so cute. I've been going for more of like a natural slash like shorter type of lash these days, and you guys seem to like kind of like enjoy that type of look and want to know more about like the lash styles that I'm using. So I'll make sure to put a link to these down below in the description box. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed today's eye focus tutorial. I'm obsessed with this gold smoky eye. I feel like this would be perfect for the holiday season. Definitely let me know if you guys decide to recreate it. I'm obsessed with how this look came out. I feel like this gold is like perfect for the holidays, so I'm definitely going to be like pulling this look out once or twice you know, now that the holidays are kind of like in the air and we're closing in on Christmas and everything. I feel like this gold like look is perfect for that. So thank you so much for watching though, sending lots of love, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one.